So folks, as Boyz II Men would say, we've come to the end of the road. MPA British Finals tomorrow and my last competition on British soil, and so therefore promise to fulfill. One, at the start of this underground series in which I said I would be my best ever with my improvements in balance. It's going to bring the condition to display that fully on stage, and I feel that up to this point now I've done that. It's been a difficult journey, been a little bit harder keeping everybody up to date, but I've enjoyed it. I said at the beginning that one of the downsides of doing these vlogs and allowing you guys into my world was it would allow my competitors into my world and the critics as well, and so you kind of open yourself up to be prejudged before you step on stage, and for your competitors to be inspired by your journey while they stay secret and hidden. So we've done that, but last week I made the professional decision that with this last competition I was going to cut short the countdown series and go really underground. So I've been working hard. Sorry I've missed you guys, but I'm back now. But with one night to go, got one final trip to Tesco's to get some turkey and some broccoli. Going to try and post this up for you guys before I go to sleep. But yeah, I'm ready. I am ready. So I'll let you guys make your own judgments tomorrow from video, pictures. No matter what anyone else says, I'll let you CJP fans make up your own minds. But tomorrow is going to be good. The target is, or the first target is, to be the best under 65 kilo guy in Britain. Obviously to win my class, which is the under 70 kilos. But again, if I can be the best under 65 kilo guy in the class, it gives me the opportunity to possibly go to the Worlds and representing Slovakia. So yeah, this is not the last competition of the year. Hopefully we go on to the Worlds, but it's the last one in this country. So yeah, I'm going to report as much as I can tomorrow, see what I get on video for you guys. But for now, this is Jason Barnett signing out, saying thank you for following me on the journey, for supporting. I love God, I love people, I love life, and I'm out, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.